Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 11.
Today, we're talking about hobbies and free time.
This is very useful because people always ask, what do you do in your free time?
And today, Emma discovered my secret hobby.
Yes, and I can't believe it.
It's not that strange.
Ben, it is strange.
Okay, maybe a little.
Quick question. What do you like doing in your free time?
Great, let's begin.
By the end of today, you will be able to talk about your hobbies in English. You will learn common hobby vocabulary like watch movies and read books. You will learn how to say I like and I don't like.
And you will learn how to say I'm good at or I'm bad at.
Emma is walking past Ben's apartment. She hears music. What is that sound? Is Ben listening to music? Emma knocks on Ben's door.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Ben. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, I'm just relaxing.
Ben, I hear music.
Yes.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, I like listening to music in my free time.
Okay, that's normal. Emma looks inside. Wait, why are you wearing dancing shoes?
These are not dancing shoes.
Ben, they look like dancing shoes.
Okay, fine. I have a hobby.
What hobby?
I dance.
You dance?
Yes.
Like in a club?
No, not in a club. In my living room.
In your living room?
Yes, it's my secret hobby.
Why is it a secret?
Because I'm bad at it.
How bad?
Very bad.
Show me. Ben starts dancing. It's awkward. Ben,
What?
you are brave,
Thank you.
but you are not good at dancing.
I know.
You look like a robot.
A robot?
Yes, a robot with a sore knee.
Okay. But I practice every weekend.
Why?
Because it's fun.
Okay, that's good.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Nice.
And I like cooking.
Really?
Yes, I'm good at cooking.
Wow, I'm bad at cooking.
What do you cook?
I cook noodles.
Only noodles?
Yes,
Ben, that's not cooking.
it is cooking. It's hot.
Okay.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
Me too.
What kind of movies?
Action movies.
I like comedy movies.
Makes sense. You like funny things.
And you like dancing like a robot.
True.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
I don't like games.
That's okay.
Ben, your hobby is funny, but it's cool.
Thank you.
Keep dancing.
I will.
Okay, I will go now.
See you later.
Take care. Now, let's learn the key vocabulary.
Repeat after us.
Word 1. Hobby.
Meaning, something you do for fun.
Example, dancing is my hobby.
Your turn. Say, my hobby is...
Phrase 2. Free time.
Meaning, time when you are not working or studying.
Example, in my free time, I read books.
Your turn. Say, in my free time, I...
Phrase 3. Watch movies.
Meaning, see a movie.
Example, I watch movies on weekends.
Your turn. Say, I watch movies.
Phrase 4. Listen to music.
Meaning, hear music.
Example, I listen to music every day.
Your turn. Say, I listen to music.
Phrase 5. Play games.
Meaning, play video games or board games.
Example, I play games with friends.
Your turn. Say, I play games.
Phrase 6. Read books.
Meaning, read.
Example, I read books at night.
Your turn. Say, I read books.
Phrase 7. Go jogging.
Meaning, run slowly for exercise.
Example, I go jogging in the morning.
Your turn. Say, I go jogging.
Word 8. Cook.
Meaning, make food.
Example, I cook dinner.
Your turn. Say, I cook.
Word 9. Draw.
Meaning, make a picture.
Example, I like to draw.
Your turn. Say, I draw.
Word 10. Dance.
Meaning, move your body with music.
Example, I dance in my living room.
Your turn. Say, I dance.
Phrase 11. Good at.
Meaning, you do something well.
Example, I'm good at cooking.
Your turn. Say, I'm good at.
Phrase 12. Bad at.
Meaning, you do something not well.
Example, I'm bad at dancing.
Your turn. Say, I'm bad at.
Now let's practice the grammar.
Today, we focus on likes and skills.
Pattern 1. I like. Example, I like reading books.
Example, I like playing games. Pattern 2. I love. Example, I love watching movies.
Pattern 3. I don't like. Example, I don't like spicy food.
Pattern 4. I'm good at. Example, I'm good at cooking.
Pattern 5. I'm bad at. Example, I'm bad at dancing.
5 examples.
1. I like listening to music.
2. I love watching movies.
3. I don't like games.
4. I'm good at drawing.
5. I'm bad at dancing.
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1. I'm like watching movies. Correction. I like watching movies.
Mistake 2. I'm good in cooking. Correction. I'm good at cooking.
Now repeat the key sentences.
We will say them 3 times. Slow, medium, natural. Sentence 1. What do you do in your free time? Slow. What do you do in your free time?
Medium. What do you do in your free time?
Natural. What do you do in your free time?
Sentence 2. I like listening to music. Slow. I like listening to music.
Medium. I like listening to music. Natural. I like listening to music.
Sentence 3. Dancing is my hobby. Slow. Dancing is my hobby.
Medium. Dancing is my hobby. Natural. Dancing is my hobby.
Sentence 4. I'm bad at dancing. Slow. I'm bad at dancing.
Medium. I'm bad at dancing. Natural. I'm bad at dancing.
Sentence 5. I'm good at cooking. Slow. I'm good at cooking.
Medium. I'm good at cooking. Natural. I'm good at cooking.
Sentence 6. I love watching movies. Slow. I love watching movies.
Medium. I love watching movies. Natural. I love watching movies.
Sentence 7. I don't like games. Slow. I don't like games.
Medium. I don't like games. Natural. I don't like games.
Sentence 8. Keep dancing. Slow. Keep dancing.
Medium. Keep dancing. Natural. Keep dancing. Now you speak.
Answer after the pause. What is your hobby?
Sample answer. My hobby is reading books. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music. Do you like watching movies?
Sample answer. Yes, I love watching movies. Do you play games?
Sample answer. Yes, I play games sometimes. Are you good at cooking?
Sample answer. Yes, I'm good at cooking. Are you bad at dancing?
Sample answer. Yes, I'm bad at dancing.
Quick quiz. Answer in your head.
Question 1. What is a hobby?
Question 2. What does free time mean?
Question 3. How do you say, I like it a lot?
Question 4. What does good at mean?
Question 5. Complete, I'm blank, dancing.
Answers. 1. A hobby is something you do for fun.
2. Free time is time when you are not working or studying.
3. I love it.
4. Good at means you do something well.
5. At.
Your mission today. Talk about 2 hobbies.
Record yourself and say, in my free time, I like blank. I love blank. I'm good at blank. I'm bad at blank.
Say it 3 times. Slow, medium, natural.
Great job today. You finished episode 11.
You can now talk about hobbies and free time in English.
Episode 12 will be about making plans, and Ben will make a terrible plan.
Ben. See you.
Take care.